Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this Ceylon Cinnamon supplement from NutriFlair. Now, I began taking Ceylon Cinnamon almost a year ago to help relieve the symptoms of PCOS. Ceylon Cinnamon is an antioxidant and it can help with supporting healthy blood sugar levels. So this has been very helpful for me to curb insulin resistance, which is something that I really don't want to develop from my PCOS. These pills are small and easy to swallow. I take them once a day in the morning. This bottle usually lasts me about 2 months when I take it that way, as it has 120 capsules. If you are looking for a cinnamon supplement, I highly recommend this one from NutriFlair. It is very high quality. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.